Hello guys, namaste, welcome to my channel. This is Janvi Vera, and the topic we're gonna discuss today is so interesting, and let's get started. And the topic is, many people must be thinking that I am teaching English in English language. What the hell? What is she doing? How can someone learn English when while you are teaching them in English as a beginner? And I feel it too myself when I was searching that how to learn Spanish. Many teachers are teaching Spanish in Spanish language, and that what make me think then that you people must be struggling to understand as a beginner the way I struggle to understand Spanish as a beginner. So this is what we're gonna talk about today, and if you're interested in this video, then watch it till the end, and don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video. And so it's true that I am teaching you English and English language, but if you are a beginner, then you should not watch this kind of videos, and you should watch videos like translations. The people who teach you sentences, they will write down the meaning of it in your mother tongue and the translation of English. You should watch that kind of video from like Kanchan, English Connection, her YouTube channel is, and you can watch that kind of video for like 2 or 3 months continuously as a beginner, and you should write down the sentence she is saying with the meanings, and you just have to do this for like 2 or 3 months as a beginner, and you will get the basic things in this language, the sentence structure like good morning, how are you, and this kind of thing, this kind of sentence. And as you get the basics, then stop watching that kind of videos. Okay, start watching like English movies and English podcast, and start listening English songs and sing along with them, because you have done the basic, and then you have to go to upper level, so you have to watch movies in English. And while watching movies, you will get some things, some sentences that you have learned, you have been learning in like last 3 or 2 months, and you will get the like 50%, not even 50%, that 15% in a movie. You will get the sentences, and the rest that you're not understanding, so write it down on your notebook, what kind of word and sentence that you're not getting in a movie. And after you watch the movie, then search it on Google and write it down on your notebook with the with the meaning. And if you don't want to write it, then take a screenshot while watching movies with turn on the subtitles, and when you will take the screenshot, then the subtitle will come in, and you can search it on Google and then write down in your notebook with the meaning, that the sentence that you had take screenshot of. And if you do this for like more 3 or 2 months, watching movies, listening to songs, listening to podcast and watching English video, if you do this for like 3 or 2 months, then you will know the intermediate level. You will become the intermediate level like this, and write down the every sentence that that you are interested in, that you want to learn. And you should watch, you should go through the papers, your notebook, like in once a week. And after you done this for like 3 or 2 months, you will get the intermediate level. And after doing this, you will get like 60 or 70% of English, and the rest you can get from doing it over and over, and watching some educational videos and recording yourself And when you finish a movie, then talk to yourself about the story, the characters, and record yourself in your mobile phone. And like this you will become from 70% to like 90%. You will get it if you do it like you know like 6 months at least. And you've done the 90% of work, and now it's time for the 10% that you want to work so hard. And it is always, as speaking. And speaking is so essential. When you learn a language, you can understand everything, but what if you can't able to speak it when someone talk to in this language? And yeah, when you will get like 70% in something like movies or podcast or songs, then start to imitating them, what they are saying. No matter if you don't understand everything, but you have to imitate and sing along with the songs that you're listening. And this way you will get the rhythm of this language, the intonation, how to pronounce things. And yeah, you have to work on your speaking skills, and speak it out loud. What while you're watching movies, listening to songs, listening to podcasts, you have to imitate the speakers, what they are saying. And like this you will improve from beginner. Okay, from beginner you will get the basic thing at first, and then second, when you get the basic things, start watching movies and listen to podcasts, English songs, and write down the sentence that you're not understanding. And while doing this like for 3 or 4 months, you will get so much understanding in this language. And after it, as I said, work on speaking. Like, you have to speak because you want to learn this language, because you want to have conversation in this language, obviously. And so yeah, that's how you can become advanced from beginner. That's were my tips and tricks that you can follow. And if you follow this, then I guarantee you will be fluent in English in no time. I did it myself, and that's why I know what happens when we do this. And I am doing it in my Spanish language also, as I am a beginner, so I'm writing down the basic sentences, daily use sentences in my notebook. And then I'm studying it from time to time. And then after I will do that, after I finish one notebook of mine with this kind of sentence, I will watch like movies or podcasts or bloggers. And like that I will get like something I will get from the movies that I have learned the basics. And the thing that I'm not understanding, I will write it down and search it on Google with the meanings. I will write it down again in my notebook. And that's how I will become fluent in Spanish. And I cannot wait to be fluent in Spanish, because I'm so desperately want to learn it. And I always listen to songs, Spanish songs, even if I don't understand. I like the beat. I like listening to songs. So this is cool for me to listen to a song that I don't even understand what the singer is singing, but it can help me to how it will help me to improve my pronunciation, and I will get it the rhythm and how they speak. And yeah, that's what pretty much that you need to focus from beginner, from sketch to advanced. And yeah, and then I will start speaking. You will start speaking in this language. You will fluent in this language if you done this for like at least like 6 months. But you won't become as fluent as native speaker in just 6 months. You have to work on it like for at least 1 hour, 1 year if you are a beginner. Then yeah, it may take long depending on how much time you are giving to this language. And it took me 1 year, because I used to give so much time of myself, so much time I spent on learning English, because I learned English after I learned English after I finished my 10th board examination, so I had a lot of time to spare, and I spend it in learning language. And yeah, I used to watch movies like and songs and podcasts like for 5 or 6 hours a day, and I can't believe. And I learned English through not by studying, if I say frequently, but by enjoying. I learned this language by enjoying, by watching movies, listening to podcasts, educational videos, or singing along with the songs. And it is so fun to learn a language with with this kind of methods. And yeah, it will help you for sure if you do it. And if you learned it in no time, that you have to give your time in this language. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And if you like this video, then don't forget to smash the like button, and if you're new over here, then subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video. So for till now, namaste and bye bye.